Hello, everybody. My name is Malin Patel, and today I will talk about something pretty important, responsible alcohol service on flight. Now, we all know that a lot can happen at 30,000 feet, so making sure alcohol is served safely is critical. In this presentation, I will walk you through the rules for crew, the risks of overserving, a real life example, what airlines can do to reduce incidents, and why all this matter, not just for my safety, but the safety of the passenger and everybody on aircraft. Question number one, three rules and regulations for serving alcohol on board. Let's start with some rules that airline crew member they have to follow. Checking ID. Just like on the ground, the crew has to verify the passenger are of legal drinking age. If someone looks underage, it's their responsibility to ask for ID and check it. Number two, tracking passenger drinking. Crew member have to keep an eye on how much each person is drinking. They are trained to spot early signs of intoxication to step in before things got out of hand. Number three, saying no when needed. If somebody has too much to drink, the crew is expected to say no to further service. Even if it feels awkward, they have the authority to do what's best for everyone's safety. Question number two, risks of overseeing passenger. Overseeing can Risks of overserving passenger. Overserving can lead to some serious illness or issues. Number one, disruptive behavior. Intoxicated passenger can get loud, aggressive, or even violent, which is a risk for everybody on board. Health hazard. High altitude can intensify alcohol effect, leading to dizziness, nausea, or worse. It's not just a nuisance, it's a health risk. Crew distraction. Handling an intoxication passenger can take crew member away from their other duties, which compromises the overall safety and services on the flight. Let's go to question number three. Real incident due to alcohol or consumption. One example that comes to my mind happened on a flight from New York to Miami. A passenger had a bit too much to drink and ended up causing a huge scene, yelling at the crew, bothering other passengers. The crew eventually had to physically restrain them until landing, where they were escorted by the security and later faced charges. This kind of situation really shows how quickly things can escalate when alcohol is involved. Let's go to question number four. How airlines can reduce alcohol-related incidents. Airlines have some smart strategy to prevent these issues. First of all, number one is limit drinking. Setting a drink limit makes it easier to control consumption and prevent over drinking. Traffic two, number two, traffic light system. As we all learned in Smart Serve and the presentation week prior to, the crew might use a traffic light approach to track intoxication level. Green means safe, yellow means it's time to slow down, and red means stop. It's a simple but effective system. Offering alternatives. Crew members are trained to offer food, water, or non-alcoholic options. These alternatives can slow down alcohol intake and help keep passengers hydrated. Let's go to our last question. Why the airline industry has the responsibility to serve alcohol safely? Lastly, why does it all matter? The airline industry has a duty of care to ensure that everyone, passenger and a crew alike, stays safe. Serving alcohol responsibly is part of the duty. It's about creating a comfortable, secure environment so everybody can arrive at their destination in good spirits and pun intended. Like everybody's happy and everybody's had a fun. The flight was good, so that's why. And for the conclusion, let's talk about to sum it all up. Let's summarize. Responsible alcohol service isn't just a checklist, it's a way to keep flight safe and enjoyable with clear rules. Awareness of risk lessons from past incidents and preventive measures. Airline and their crew can make a big difference. Thank you for listening, and I hope this gives you some insight into why serving smart is really matter in the sky. And thank you so much.